Welcome, friends! Guess what? It's time for the Magical Vehicles Parade. Get ready to meet some amazing rides full of fun and adventure. Let's roll!
I'm a fire truck, zooming through the magical city, ready to save the day. Let's go!
I'm a helicopter, flying through the clouds, ready for adventure. Woo!
I'm a police car, racing through the sparkling city, keeping everyone safe and happy. Flash, zoom, woo-hoo!
I'm an ambulance, rushing through the magical city to help and heal. Beep, beep, here I come.
I'm a monster truck, jumping high and rolling strong on a magical adventure. Vroom, vroom!
I'm a spaceship, zooming through magical galaxies, ready for an out-of-this-world adventure. Whee!
I'm the magic train, choo-choo, traveling through candy mountains and crystal lands. Come along for a magical ride. Let's go!
I'm an ice cream truck, spreading smiles and sweet treats wherever I go. Ding, ding, let's have some fun. Yummy!
I'm the magical ship, sailing across the waves and sparkling seas. I carry treasures of fun and friendship wherever I go. Let's sail into a world of wonder.
I'm a school bus, rolling through rainbow valleys, ready for a magical learning adventure. Beep, beep, let's go! I'm a hot air balloon, floating high in the sky, spreading joy and magic everywhere. Up, up, and away. And that's the end of our Magical Vehicles Parade. Thanks for joining us, friends. The fire truck, police car, ambulance, helicopter, hot air balloon, magic train, and ship all had so much fun. See you next time for more magical adventures.
Goodbye!